Hey nail tubers, and real quick, a shout out to the crew at the Speedway gas station in Homewood, Illinois on Halsted. Thank you so much for the love and subscribing to my channel on the spot, y'all, and I'll explain to you guys in a little bit. So you remember the one kit that I showed you, but there was something different about this one, and I know you're going to want one. So this is the Beetles Nail Tips and Glue Kit. It did come from Amazon. Now, I do have to let you know that this was a few coins more than some of the others. It was $22, but I do feel that it was worth it. And here's one reason. And this isn't necessarily the reason I purchased it, but look, I found that it's a 3-in-1. It's not only the nail tip glue, but can be used as base and a slip solution for Polygel, guys. And if you're struggling with your Gelxdupe method, as I have until recently, it might be good to check out some of the helpful tips that offer application and wear endurance advice. It came with nail tips, and I'll talk a little more about these in a minute. This was a little stuck, but here's the nail tip glue. It's 7.5 milliliters and recommended curing time is 30 to 60 seconds. So back to the nail tips. Each bag is numbered, but one thing here is they go from size 1 through 10, or is it 1 through 11? Either way, they start at 1 instead of the familiar 0. These are long, clear, full coverage Coffin. And you should also know that they possibly run small, because in most sets that start with 0, I use a 1 for my thumb, which would be the second bag. For these, I use the first bag, the ones, if that makes sense. I'll be using Femi's Gel Polish Sugar from her collab with Macart and the base gel. For me, more times than not, I don't have to shape, but you should always size and shape the nails properly. Not only does it help last, it especially gives that realistic look. Then I filed that little tip away. So I really like the last lamp I showed, but now this one too, being even more open-faced with the smaller overhead canopy. But there's yet something else you'll see in a moment. It takes a USB charging cord, which is around 3 feet long, and it reaches from the tabletop area to the floor if needed. I'll quickly go through steps of prep. And once done, you clean your nails and apply base coat, and then we're ready so you can see what's special about this lamp. Something I forgot and want to make sure to mention, I've been making it a habit to etch the inside whether the nails are gel or not, because it helps with better adhesion either way. It's just something that helps to keep me from forgetting when I should, and it does no harm even if it's not needed. It doesn't take much time. So you apply nail tip glue at the top of the nail, then flip the nail over. And place the top edge down at the cuticle area about 45 degrees and start laying the nail towards the free edge, pressing lightly as you go so it pushes away any air pockets. But wait for it and tell me if you notice anything. Put it in the comments before I do this. And I just left much of this in real time so you could see. Did you see it? And I'll let you get a close while I tell you about Speedway. And if you figure it out in between, go ahead and put it in the comments. So I had been working on this acrylic set, but needed to get to the bank. So I threw on anything and left with my nails half done. I go to Speedway for something to drink, and the young lady had been looking at my nails. When I approached the counter, she said, "I like your colors." And I thanked her, but me, knowing they was looking crazy. And here's another one if you need to see it again. And real quick, I did mess this one up bumping when I was going into the lamp. So yeah, I thanked her while explaining that they weren't quite done. Girl, they hadn't even been shaped. So I ended up talking with all three of them that were working, and I asked her what nails should I do, and she said it would be cool if you did something like, and she described like Cheeto nails, and then I showed her the M&M nails that I did, and she said, "Oh yeah, she's doing it," showing the other employee. Then her and the young man that was working subscribed to my channel right then. Isn't that awesome? So thank you again for the love and support. And I'll do this one and let you know in case you didn't get it, okay? Did you even notice that I didn't turn the lamp on? And watch when I take my finger out. No, I didn't turn it off either. It's a smart lamp, guys. And all you have to do is get close to the edge and it goes on. In fact, look what it says. Nails in, light on. But the other thing that I do like is how the design of the lamp isn't low to the table and there's enough height to comfortably fold your other fingers down onto the table into a natural position for curing. I think this lamp is the answer. What do you think? And kudos to Beetles for doing this. They look pretty good, don't they? And you can see the lifting from me bumping when I lost my hold. And it wasn't straight. So guess what, guys? I decided to reshape them. And I made them stiletto. And from here, a really quick and easy nail design. So as I start with the base coat, you'll notice under the nails that they look different. Now, I don't say it because I do use peel off base coat for videos. So what you're seeing is actual loosening from when shaping was done. And these are coming right off, so I'll just go ahead with the design. So far, this is the third of the natural nudes from Femi's collection, and they all look nice on me. When I was editing, I felt so satisfied to watch the polishing, so I'm giving it to you. I chose this rose color glitter gel liner, and this is so easy. Anyone can do it. A quick line, then a random swoosh. And look at how pretty it comes out. I like them. And I've always loved the stiletto shapes. What do you think, guys? If you enjoyed this and liked the nail set that I did with it, go ahead and click the like button. And if you'd like to see more, you can click on this link and I'll meet you there. Consider subscribing to my channel and remember to click the Nailification bell so you don't miss any more uploads because I have much more coming. I really do appreciate you enjoying your time with me today, and I hope to see you in the next one. Much love.